fast. So if you want to learn English, you have to concentrate only reading book. You have to read a book 30 minutes, and after that you have to write stories. Means whatever you learn in this book, means whatever you learn in that book while reading, so you have to write a notes daily in 50 minutes. After that you have to watch a movie. It should be in English, not Hindi. It should be English, and you can listen song as well. It should be in English. And after you have to watch movie in English, you have to find 30 minutes, and you have to listen a song in English 30 minutes. It is very important, because if you not follow this rule, you cannot speak in English, because it is a very important to it helps us for speaking in English. And speak yourself, means you have to speak front of mirror, and don't you do not think if someone comes and he will and she will listen to you. Don't think like that. You have to speak front of mirror and 50 minutes. And I'm going to give you some questions. It is a help of you to speaking powers very fast. It will very fast. First, I have given you 5 topics. It is your choice which topic you want to choose, and you have to write in daily basis. And that when you write, you have to choose one topic, and you have to write daily. Means 7 days we have to choose only one topic. For example, I choose one topic, and after that I choose tell about myself, and I am doing 7 days. My fluency power will increase. And then if I choose second topic, so I have to do this work 7 days. Okay. And then second topic is tell about your family. And don't think it's wrong and it's right. Whatever comes in your mind, just write. And you have to follow regularly this topic. Then your English power will increase. And third topic is what is your aim in your life? Means what is your aim in your life? You have to write about that. You have to apply 7 days. And for this, what is your dream? What is your dream? You have to write just. You have to apply 7 days. After completed this, I'm sure your English power will increase. And 5 topic is that, are machine making us lazy? 5 question is that, are machine seriously making us lazy? Like machine, I'm giving example. You can see in your home there is a washing machine. Many people wash by hands, but when machines comes, washing machine, never people wash in hands. They use only washing machine. So that is a question. Are machines making us lazy or not? You have to write a story. It's not you have to give an answer only yes or no. It's not good. And you have to, whatever you read in this book, means you have to read book daily 30 minutes. And whatever you read whatever you read in this, you have to make a notes, and which word you do not understand you have to write in your notebook, and then you have to find out in your dictionary. And watch movies. You have to concentrate just listening power. How much you can listen, it's your choice. And keep in mind, you have to listen very carefully. If you want to listen American movies, you can say pronunciation is very difficult, but you have to just concentrate there. And speak front of mirror. It's very important. No one comes in your front of you and no one listens your voice. You have to just speak front of mirror, and then you have to just practice daily basis. And whatever I have given you 5 topics, it is very important. You have to practice this topic. First, what is tell about yourself. Whenever you go, so means like you are going to give your interview. So first of all, that interviewer asks you tell about yourself. So you should know about anything. And second topic is tell about your life, tell about your family. It is a very important questions, and it's very easy. And tell about yourself means you have to tell about your family. What's your aim in your life? What is your aim in your life? You have to write about that. And fourth is what is your dream? What is your dream in your life? And 5 is, are machine making us lazy? So I have given you 5 topics, and I have tell you what is means how to speak English. So if you apply these whatever I have tell you, so if you apply, I'm sure your English power will increase.